New episodes of The Cars Show. Guido's big surprise. I can't wait to throw the party. Taylor racing the party. Surprise party. Today is going to be a good day, Guido. He has no idea my friend is in for a big surprise. Hey man, I'm here for my new tires. Perfecto! Come on inside. Hey Guido, figured out the surprise yet? No, it's still a secret. Guido, Signor, Ramon is here for the new tires. How was your lovely day, Flo? How was your lovely day, Flo? She's doing fine. She got a new shipment of fuel that's mighty smooth. You can stop in for a sip. Yes, maybe we'll come over later. Look at that! Luigi, Guido, I put those tires in the junk bag this morning. He looks blue, man. Of course he looks blue. He is always the color blue. No, I meant and Guido looks sad. Maybe the party will cheer him up. Thanks, man. We'll say hi to Flo for you. What's the bug in you, Guido? Ka-chow! Yoo-hoo! Hey guys, I'm here to practice for my pit crew again. You'll be my pit crew again, right, Guido? Here's the plan. Picture my speeding down the track. You can be ready for the pit stop, okay? He's ready. I'm heading for the pit stop, and you're ready to change my tires in 2 5-second flat. And go! 2.5 and 3, 4, 5. Mamma mia. Guido didn't sleep good last night. Tomorrow he'll be back in the speedy self. Whatever. Come on, Lemater. Let's go. Hey, buddy, what would our country be called if every car was painted pink? A pink carnation. Get it? A carnation? What's the wrong, Guido? You cannot go into the dumpster.
Hello, boys. There's a customer at my motel who needs her tires checked. Do you have some time?
We don't take good care of her.
I knew I could count on you guys. Come on.
Come on, Guido, I'll take you to meet her.
So I'm heading to
Flo's afterwards if you need me. Grazie, Sally. Never know, there's nothing else. Guido is a homesick, that's why he's so sad. I got the plan. Maybe a surprise party will help. Jeez, man, this is the good stuff. He's sick.
Who's sick?
Guido. He's a homesick for his family in Italy. I thought he was missing of the excitement of a race. Now I'm sure he's sad because he misses the home.
Well, Guido has a home right there in Radiator Springs, and we're gonna cheer him up. That's right! We'll just change our racing party to an Italian party. They'll see a Fillmore's an olive oil flavored brew. That would be perfecto.
You can count on me to bring Italian racing flags or decorations. And Flo's got some old Italian classics on the karaoke machine. Lugnut Prima is one of our favorites. Grazie, this'll mean so much to Guido. Well, this plan's gonna work. Everything is sure gonna look good. Look good. I remember my lousy dream. Viva la Italia, Guido. It's gonna be a long day, Guido. What do you say? We go over to Flo's for a sip of oil? Let's go in and see. Viva l'Italiano, Guido. Hey, this looks a lot like the tower from inside the store. Can I have everyone's attention, please? Now for a real surprise. Red will perform an Italian opera selection. Mamma mia, it's bellissimo.
Great. That was just beautiful.
You made this night so very special.